Hi guys, just wanted to show you today how to make a simple pair of earrings using very simple beads. You have some ear wires, 2 head pins, some cutters and some round nose pliers. So all you need to do is have your head pin, which is here, which is the flat end, and then add your bead or your beads like so. And then you need to, what I normally do is I use the round nose push down to the top of the top bead, and then I bend the wire so it looks like this. I normally leave 1 centimetre, so there is a little bit too much on there, so I will cut a bit off. That's probably about right. So when you've done that, then you use your round nose pliers, and then what I do is I hold the beads in place with the end of the wire, the head pin, facing towards me, and then I place the round nose pliers onto the end of the head pin, and then I push the head pin away from me, doing a circular movement with the head pin, and then I basically make a sort of half loop. So once that I've done my sort of half loop, I then add my ear wire to there, and then I use my round nose or flat nose to close up the gap, and that one's done. So yes, the next one I'll do this one again and show you. Add your bead, the green one, and then place your round nose on top of the green bead, and then I push like that, and then I just cut a little bit off, leaving 1 centimetre, and then I grab my round nose pliers again. I hold the beads in place so they don't move, having the wire, the head pin facing towards you. Apply the round nose and then just turn away from you. I come back on myself and just bend the head pin again, and then I then add my ear wire like so, and then I close. I'm going to use flat nose. I think it's a bit easier, and then I just close it like so, and then you have a pair of earrings. It's very quick, 5 minutes, not even that, to make a pair of earrings. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you, bye.